Every designer starts somewhere, right? And sometimes all it takes is one decision to believe in your dream. This is Jemma Russo. A few years ago, Jemma reached out to me with a dream to become a fashion designer and start her own brand. She had no formal training, no fashion background, just vision, passion, and a desire to learn. Through Fashion Premier Academy, we worked together from the ground up, developing her concept, her brand identity, and creative direction. Through our coaching sessions, we started developing her voice and her signature style. When it comes to fashion design, it's important to learn about the core elements that make a design come alive. For example, fabrics. Fabrics are everything. They are the foundation of your design. They determine the silhouette, the fit, the movement, and the overall attitude of the garment. The right fabric can elevate even the simplest design into something extraordinary. As a designer, you have to understand fabrics, how they drape, how they stretch, how they react to light, and how they interact with the body. That's what allows you to turn a sketch into something real, something beautiful, and something wearable. Jemma loves experimenting with fabrics and textures, combining classic silhouette with a modern couture edge. Fast forward to today, Jemma has showcased her collection at New York Fashion Week and Paris Fashion Week. Her story is proof that with the right guidance, the right mindset, and commitment, you can build your dream fashion brand, starting from zero. She often tells me that she's grateful for those early days of guidance and support, but honestly, the credit is hers for her commitment, creativity, and courage to follow her vision. And anyone out there interested in creating your own brand, well, visit Fashion Premier Academy and start designing your future today. See you in class.